a bit better now. He has gotten himself, unlike before. Guy was so weak. Guy could not do anything. Now Guy is alright. He has gotten himself. So I'm still praying for Guy to get better. I see him sleeping every time. Guy is showing the weakness. He doesn't bark as much. I'm feeling for Guy. Please comment or not, so we know what we can do for him. The problem is that he's having treatment, breathing problem, inability to eat, not eat well again. It's not peaceful. We'll try a solution for us. I'll be so good. Thank you guys. It's why we think that Jesus